You would never believe where this restaurant is. It's underrated, amazing, but it's located on a golf course. Today lunch is at Mulligans on the Green, located at Barbados Golf Club. But just to be clear, the restaurant operates independently from the club. This is one of those places that doesn't shout for attention, but it's been here quietly, consistently doing its own thing. The chef and owner has a European background and has been part of the Barbados restaurant industry for over 23 years. That experience shows in the menu, not as anything flashy, but as a range and balance. A mix of cuisines rather than a single theme, which tells this place is about feeding people well, not chasing trends. What stands out is their approach to ingredients. The focus is on quality, good produce, solid proteins, and portions that make sense without pushing prices into that special occasion thing. This is very much an affordable menu, especially considering the setting. The space itself feels relaxed, open, and unpretentious. It's the kind of restaurant where golfers stop in after a round, but also where locals come for just food. Now, I've never been a fan of Banks beer. For some reason, draft hits differently. On a hot day, refreshing, and it just has the right flavor. At the menu, so for starters, we've got fish cakes, vegetable samosas, chicken tenders, chicken wings, smoked ribs, and nacho supreme. The nacho supreme sounds really interesting. They've got salads, Greek salad, Caesar salad, the breadfruit tacos and corn tacos. Now, I love the concept that you can have your tacos with breadfruit or corn tacos. Hard shell, of course, no other way. Then at the top here, we've got wraps, burgers, and pizza sandwich. I don't know what's a pizza sandwich, but it sounds interesting. And what I like is that there is also gluten-free wraps available. And they also list out wherever there is vegetarian options as well. Moving on swiftly, we've got maize, chashu today, we've got honey glazed salmon. That sounds so good. I'm hungry already. Turn it over, you can create your own pizzas, you can have the signature pastas. And I've had their mac and cheese before, so I can only assume that their pastas are extremely good. Hole in one sounds amazing because they've got penne, bacon, onion, mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes. I think there was sun-dried tomatoes. You've got me. Sweet peppers in a creamy pesto sauce. Yum. Lots of pastas here. You can create your own pizza if you like. And they have their signature pizzas as well. These are in personal sizes of 10 and 14 inches. I come to their breakfast smoke menu. They've got sandwich burgers and sausages. That's a lot. There's brisket on here, guys. Who has brisket? Not any never taste this. This is amazing. Got the tacos again. I got the sides, like I talked about, their mac and cheese. 3 cheese mac and cheese sauce. It definitely has 3 cheeses in it. I've tried it before and I'll be having it again. Maize, we've got brisket, smoked spare ribs, smoked quesadilla, smoked barbecue, chicken. Or you can get meat only for the meat lovers. Look at that. And the prices again, very affordable. Got the classic cocktails, the Mulligans, the rum punch. Now, that one I have to try for sure sometime. Mulligans Bloody Caesar. That sounds great. Mulligans Mule. We've got sours, martinis. We've got bourbon, margaritas, daiquiris, coffee, tea, soft drinks. They have a lot of options. Today I got the grilled fish with the Mirabelle sauce and a side of mac and cheese. The mac and cheese is really good, so I know it's a bit of a weird combination, but you have to try it. I don't know what it is about this sauce, but it's so good. And then there's coleslaw in it as well. You see? Coleslaw compliments fish, And the sauce, this is the salsa, fresh cucumbers. And then the side of mac and cheese. And we're wrong. Mac and cheese is nice and creamy. And it's a lovely consistency. Just right. The broth keeps it nice and warm too. Today we tried the honey and goat cheese pecan pizza. It's a pesto-based pizza with full cheese, pecans, mozzarella drizzled with honey. It's an interesting flavor, very new. I think it's an acquired taste.
But you added pepperoni as well.
Oh, and we added pepperoni as well. It's an interesting flavor, refreshing, light. Well, you have to try it to decide if it's for you. For me, the tacos are different. Wow, I'm enjoying. Not only the food is great, you know, it has to be really good for me to say that. What I'm super enjoying is this view. This view is immaculate. Like, I just started playing golf right away. If you guys want to see that, you can leave me a comment. And being able to sit here after you had a nice meal with a cold beer and watch other people play golf is just so relaxing. I know people talk about Barbados and how beautiful it is, but this view is unforgettable. Like, I'll be doing this every week. I will be dining at Mulligans and enjoying this view, whether or not I'm playing golf every week. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, the usual YouTuber stuff. Let me know. Are you enjoying this new style? Are you enjoying the new videos? Are you enjoying this video? I certainly am, and I'll be bringing lots more like this. Leave me a comment, especially those golfers out there. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one.